Okay, we're just here in Riverton, Wyoming. We're heading out towards Shoshone to go rock hounding. It's awesome, and we're trying to beat the storm that is coming this way.
Okay, Jake's showing us what we're looking for.
So these are some lepidolites we're gonna look for, and then we're also gonna look for some jasper.
Ooh.
And there should be some petrified wood here too.
Let's do it. This looks super cool. We found our Lulu bag that we're gonna put our rocks in. Perfect. It's like trick-or-treating, but with rocks.
Yeah, this is something fun.
Oh, they're cool. We should just put them in the bag because they're cool.
Yeah.
What's that?
I think this rock has some jasper and some quartz in it.
Ooh. That one might be a little too big to bring home.
Yeah, we'll look for smaller ones.
We're finding lots of quartz that's all over. Jake's up there somewhere. Oh, there he is. But I was thinking about it and I was like, this is only our second time kind of rock hounding and out looking for rocks. And I was thinking about the first time that we actually did this, and it was the day Jake proposed, which is kind of crazy. Isn't that fun? We did a picnic and we came out rock hounding, and I remember we were looking for like lots of shiny topaz, and at the end Jake was like, hey, he was like, can I see your rocks that you have? And we both had little fanny packs that we were putting the little topaz in, and I was like, sure. And so I showed him the rocks that I found, and then he was like, do you want to see the ones I got? And I was like, sure. He was like, here, you open it. And I was like, why does he want me to open up the fanny pack? I'm like, okay, whatever. So I opened up the fanny pack, and inside there was this penguin. And immediately I was like, oh my gosh, I know what this is. He's proposing. And on one of our very first dates, we went to a natural history museum. And in the gift shop, they had this cute little penguin with like a necklace in it. Or it was like a little ring holder. And I remember saying to Jake, when you propose, if it's not in this ring, I'm not gonna say yes. And I was like totally joking, but he went back the next day to the museum and bought the penguin. And so when I saw the penguin in the fanny pack, I seriously was like, oh my gosh. And then I looked over and Jake was on his knee and he proposed and he told me how much he loved me, and it was so cute. So that was our rock hounding memory. So it's fun to make another one out in Wyoming, which is really fun. And it's pretty crazy. I would totally recommend coming out here because there are so many rocks. It's so fun because literally everywhere you look, there's ones all over that are just fun and pretty. So this is an awesome, awesome spot. I just found the mother lode. I was walking and saw a giant foot and it was scary, so I'm gonna show Jake. Jake, do you see it?
Yeah,
look down.
I see it.
Look down.
I see it.
I'm kind of terrified.
It's definitely a hoof.
Ah! Of what?
Either a deer or an elk.
I don't even want to know. What's your favorite part of looking for rocks?
Just being outside. It's real pretty out, and I'm finding more rocks right now as we speak.
We got our bag full of souvenirs. I'm excited to go take them back to the hotel and clean them off. To the Cowboy Cafe, and we keep hearing about the homemade pies. So we're going. This looks so cute. Ooh, how cute. We come in and seat yourself. This is perfect for after finding lots of rocks, huh?
Yeah. They have spicy hot wings served with ranch and sriracha.
Yep, I want that.
They also have moose drops.
What's that?
Beer battered white cheddar bites served with ranch and dressing.
We gotta try those. There's seriously so many fun things. Oh yes. Tell what we just learned.
So every day they start out with 24 pies and they just sell them till they're gone.
And it's cool because you can get them heated with ice cream.
Yes, and that's what we did. Okay, our dinner just got here. Look at these awesome wings with
Spicy,
sriracha.
hot sriracha wings.
And these are the moose drops.
droppings.
They're fried cheese.
I can't wait, it looks so good.
Yum.
Oh my, our pie just came out. I got pecan pie with ice cream, and Jake got peach rhubarb. Well, I think it's safe to say that we are really liking the pies. Little mints to go. Well, we've had a fun time exploring Riverton, looking at some rocks and eating at the Cowboy Cafe. Now we're gonna head back to the Mill House and Lander and call it a night. Jake, do you want to give us a tour?
Yep, so right here is the awesome shower, bathroom. Look at this
so
cute tile.
cute.
Cute
And
sink.
look, it even has our favorite shampoo and conditioner.
Yay, go doTERRA.
All the details are just so cute. Love it.
Okay, coming on out, I love all these support beams.
Mm-hmm.
They're really awesome.
They're so darling. This is a closet in here. And it's awesome because it has a fridge, cute coffee cup mugs. This is just so cute. And then over here, it has some cute dressers with mirrors, but just all the little details are like so darling. Here's a little table and a cozy bed. Check out a little bit of sunshine today.
Yeah, I need to get some lavender.
Thanks for joining us on our adventures, and we hope you have an amazing day.
See ya.